Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in for the quality updates on behalf of NCC Education team. My name is Olivia Bussey. I am the head of quality and compliance, and this message is to let you know that we at NCC Education are thinking of you and championing you during these very difficult times. COVID-19 has impacted so many lives and businesses across our city region and across the world. The unprecedented nature of this virus and the timescales for restoring our communities and businesses back to health is posing among the greatest challenges of our time. We know that you, as heads of centers and business owners, face the particular challenge of having to steer your respective staff. And we know that staff members, including teachers, tutors, and lecturers, face the multiple anxieties of the students registered for the assessments. And that these students are looking to you for direction, guidance, and inspiration, and in many ways, you remain their hope bearers. It's a real challenge as we all seek to find our new normal. When I was appointed as head of quality and compliance to lead the department at NCC Education, there was a paramount importance to ensure effective measures were in place to secure results and that no student was left behind. And all students enrolled for an NCC Education qualification was able to experience the same high quality education irrespective of their location throughout the world, and to progress in their education or career successfully. I recognize now more than ever that any student registered for an assessment at any of our accredited partner centers urgently needs to know what arrangements we are putting in place for them. I can reassure you, I have worked very closely round the clock with my team and with our regulators Ofqual in England and in Wales to develop an approach that is as fair as possible and manageable for our accredited partner centers. And our accredited partner centers and the staff will play a critical role using their professional judgment to assess the likely attainment of their students. So, on behalf of NCC Education team, I want to thank you for your patience, and I want you to know that those students, parents, teachers, and everybody affected by these unprecedented circumstances can be assured that we will continue to work urgently with stakeholders across the education sector to put in place the best possible arrangements on their behalf. The quality team will continue, under Ofqual's guidance, to develop an assessment approach based on the principles provided, and will provide much more details in the next coming days. So please visit our website www.nccedu.com/news highlights. Lastly, we want you to know that we're here to support you during these extraordinary times, and we're doing everything we can to ensure a seamless experience for every student during this difficult period. In the meantime, stay safe, stay well, and stay connected.